Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, we're going to discuss how you can open a business checking account without having an EIN or a business. I know, right? Because we all think that we need to have a business or EIN in order to open a business checking account because the business checking account is different than the personal checking account. Business checking account means that you need to have a business, and that means you need to have EIN from the government to open the business checking account. But that's not true. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you open a business checking account, how can you also get the bank bonus from the business checking account without having a business or without having an EIN. There are so many benefits of opening a business checking account that you can open without EIN. For example, they're going to allow you to have a larger transaction with the business checking account than your personal checking account. You'd be able to apply for a business loan with your business checking account that you can open without EIN or without having a business. You can also do some invoicing to different customers from your business checking account even though you don't have a business or EIN. So in this video, I'm going to show you what information you need in order to open a business checking account without EIN or without having a business, and the step-by-step guide how to open a business checking account. So let's take a look. So here you see one of the banks where I'm going to try to open a business checking account without having a business or EIN is Blue Vine. So this video is not sponsored by Blue Vine, and I just picked it up because this is one of the banks. There are also other banks that I will show you later in another video. What are different banks where you can open a business bank account without EIN or business. But for the sake of this video, I want to show you how can you open a business checking account without EIN or business, and what information do you need. So I picked up this bank. Again, I'm not paid or sponsored by this bank. So I picked up this bank because I saw an offer of $500 cash bonus, but I'm doing it for one of my friends because I have a business and I created my business account with my EIN. But my friend who I'm going to open this account for, she doesn't have a business. She only has some personal information that is needed for personal bank account. But from my research, I was able to find out that you can open a business checking account without a business or EIN. So that's why I picked up this bank as an example to show you how you can open a business checking account without a business or EIN. And I picked up this bank because I saw that they're offering $500 cash bonus. So I was kind of thinking, if I open this bank account for my friend without a business or EIN, and if she gets the $500 cash bonus, that would be fantastic. And you guys would be able to copy that and get that too. So here you see I went to www.bluevine.com/partner/nerdwallet300 dash checking. You can also get it from NerdWallet. So I have come to this link, and the link is Blue Vine, you see, in partnership with NerdWallet. So I came to this link. It says earn a $500 cash bonus. You can earn $500 cash bonus when you open a new Blue Vine business checking account and meet eligibility requirements, and apply with referral code NW500 and open an account. So my purpose in this video not to focus on the $500 cash bonus, but to focus on how you can open a business checking account without a business or EIN. So you click on open account. So once you click on open account, then you see it is asking you different information. So apply for a business checking account today. And there are so many benefits, but what information do they need? Because you do not have EIN, you do not have a business. So what information, and you don't have to lie, what information you can provide them so that they're going to open a business account for you, even though you don't have a business or EIN. So entity type here, you're going to see an LLC, sole proprietor. So let's say you're a sole proprietor, right? You are thinking to sell something online, or you're thinking to sell something on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. So you really don't have a business. Any money that you make, or you are going to making the money potentially other than your job, could be a business, even though you don't have an established business or EIN. So let's say you give your entity type as sole proprietor, And then first name, last name, you're going to provide your legal first and last name that is in your document or social security number. And then your email address, you can use your Gmail. It doesn't have to have a domain name of a business. Just give your Gmail. And then mobile phone number, you give your personal number, and then you create a password. And then if you want to get the $500 cash bonus, you put this code NW500. You click on that and you click on get started. Once you click on get, now you see you're providing all the information as they are in your personal profile, and you're going to see if they allow you to open a business checking account without a business or EIN. So you click on get started, and then it comes to your next page, and it is asking, tell us about your business. So you really don't have any established business, right? You don't have any EIN either. But anything that you're doing or you're going to do or you're planning to do that is going to generate some cash, or you're at least trying. So even some businesses fail, that doesn't mean that it's a liability or a problem. Business could succeed or fail. But what you're trying to say here, that I'm planning to sell, I'm selling something, or I'm planning to sell something, or doing some transaction, whatever it is. It could be also Craigslist, right? We sell used things on the Craigslist, buy and sell, do some transaction. That could also be a business. It's just not established business with EIN. You just do it for yourself. So business address, you're going to provide your personal home address. You don't have to have any established business address. Then you put your personal phone number, annual revenue. So how much you generate, how much you're expecting. It's not asking how much you generate today, how much you're expecting. It could also be minus because your business is not going to make any money. Let's say you put $500,000. That's fine. Industry, let's say you're going to sell something online, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or you're going to do some delivery, robot driving, DoorDash, whatever it is, you pick the industry. Let's say here you pick restaurant or food delivery. And the sub industry, there's going to be more. Let's say you put under food delivery, it's a delivery or driver, whatever it is. Then, is your business name registered with your state? No, it's not registered, and that's fine. Does your business have an EIN? No. Like I told you, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can open a business checking account without a business or without an EIN. So you click on next, then you come to next page. And now it is asking, oh, we need one more document. To continue, we need to verify the photos of the front and back of your driver license or a state ID. Basically, they're trying to verify the personal information. Look, even though you have an EIN, they still want to verify your personal information. And in this video, we're showing how you can open a business account without an EIN or business. They still want to verify your personal information. So regardless whether you have EIN or not, they're going to verify your personal information. So they're going to send you a link to your mobile number. You click on send a link. So they're going to send you a link to your mobile number. So on that link, you're going to click on that link, open the video of your cell phone, and take front and back of your driver license or state ID just to verify. It has to be valid driver license or state ID, okay? You cannot use the expired document. So let's say you provided that. Then they're going to say, let's activate your account, and they're going to send you an email to your personal email address. So you receive that email, then you click on it. Once you click on it, they may ask you to set a 4-digit PIN if they want to. They may not. In this case, they asked to set a 4-digit PIN, which I did. And once I did that, then they're asking more information. Let us get to know your business. So you see what I have provided here. In the short description of business, I said, as an independent contractor, I deliver foods from different restaurants to customers on behalf of DoorDash. I just put it. I can do 1 day in a year. I can do 365 days in a year. It's up to me depending on my availability because I'm an independent contractor. But this qualifies to open a business bank account. Or maybe you're planning to, you're not doing it, you're planning to, and that's fine. Business is all about whether you're doing now or you're planning to do it in future. The next question, which best describes how you likely use your Blue Vine business checking account. I see it as my primary account. I can do some money transactions. I'm anticipating to do some money transactions. I don't use, do you use account software? I don't. And then monthly transaction volume, I said $1,000, that's fine. It's just, it is asking how much do you expect? It could be 1,000, it could be 500. Just put any amount. Once I did that, then it's asking more information, but it's optional. You can skip, so I skipped it. Now, you see they created my profile. Business account profile is created. Here, my first name, last name, address, phone number, company information, business name is going to be under my name. DBA name, I gave DoorDash delivery, that's fine. DBA is doing business as, and then the address is your personal address. So this is how you open a business banking account. Now, once you do that, now they're going to also provide you options to an external account, because let's say you want to do some transactions from different accounts, right? They're going to give you option to add bank accounts. So once you click on that, the plate which connects different bank accounts is going to appear here. You put your phone number, they're going to send you a code, and then you add external account. So this is very easy. Now you see, after I logged out, then I logged in again. You see, this is a nice dashboard. This dashboard looks the same dashboard that you can create a business account with a established business and EIN. And this is without a business, without an EIN. Look, how does it look? It has the account number. You can transfer money, your checking business account, your payment link. You can do invoice, different customers list, send money. Then also there are other benefits. So this is what you can create without a business, without an EIN. And you see, they're also giving you the account number and routing number to use. Basically, you don't have a business, you don't have an EIN, but still you are able to open a business account, and still they're giving you the business account number and business routing number that you can use to send money, to receive money, to pay the bill, and it's going to appear a business. So there are so many benefits. You can even open this, you can even use this account to send money to your different accounts, which is going to consider this as a direct deposit, even though you don't have a business, even though you don't have an EIN, but they're going to consider it as a direct deposit because they think the money is coming from a company. So there are so many benefits, and you don't need any EIN, you don't need any business. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I hope you're able to learn that in order to open a business bank account, in order to take advantage of the business bank bonus offers, in order to apply for a business bank loan, in order to do larger transactions, even though you don't have a business account, even though you don't have an EIN, you can still open and get a business account without a business, without an EIN, and that's gonna appear as a business. So this is really helpful, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please do not forget to subscribe or share. We're a very small channel. We're trying to come up with more useful content that could help you to make extra money to solve your problem. And if you subscribe and share to our channel, that would be really good for us to come up with more content. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.